What's up, what's up, what's up? Today looking at length of last word in Leetcode today. Leetcode. Jumping back there. This one, given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. So you're going to get a string like a sentence, and you're going to return the length of the last word. Word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So a word here is defined as consisting of non-space characters only. So I'm assuming it can consist of letters, numbers, and symbols, perhaps, or you know, any combination of those. Just things without a space. So I think that's what we're looking for. But yeah, the length of the last word. Let's look at the examples. Sample 1. Hello world. The output is 5 because the last word consists of 5 letters. Yeah, that one's pretty straightforward. Yeah, you grab the last word and yeah, return a 5. This one gets more complicated, or the idea is more complicated when you have spaces at the end of your output, like you do here. Fly me to the moon, the last word is moon, of course, but if you were to split this string, you're in a little bit of a pickle because, well, you got spaces at a space or spaces at the end. And we'll see how to handle this one. But last word is moon, output is 4. And this other one, Luffy is still Joy Boy. Is that a song lyric or something? I don't know. But of course, Joy Boy is the last word, and you output a 6. So fairly straightforward idea here. So gonna get the length of the last word of a string. And what I'm going to do is go into PyCharm and do this one. Yep, coming over here. I'm going to get the header though as well, or whatever. All right, length of the last word. So I'm going to get words separated by spaces in a string. So really the first thing I want to do is split the string. But my split is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to split putting a space explicitly inside the parentheses. See, when I do this, instead of the default spacing, which is, if you don't know, when you leave the parentheses empty with split, it will split by a single space. That's the default. But if I put a space in here, the behavior changes a little bit, where I can capture, I believe, all the spaces as individual elements, and that's going to allow me to actually it's going to allow me to isolate on words, really separate words from spaces, where spaces will be in separate elements, words will be in separate elements, and I will easily be able to tell what the last word is. Yeah. I can give you a little indication of this actually. Let's kind of short circuit this and test, where if I supply this function with something that has a lot of spacing in it, like fly me to the moon, see what we get here. Of course, you notice that there's a lot of spacing in here, and let's see how this explicit space split, say that 3 times fast, how does that handle this situation? Let's see here. Oh yeah, unterminated string, of course. Oh, don't want that self because you're not dealing with a class. Okay, yeah, notice that the spaces are actually kind of put in their own elements. And what if we do it without the explicit space? Actually that works because the space is gone. So, yeah, I'll use the regular split. I actually ended up using the explicit space split in my original solution, but I'm going to try this and just see how it goes. So I'll continue with this. So we want to get the length of the last word. The last word is moon, of course. And to be able to efficiently get the last word, we should we should look at the end of our list rather than the beginning, because of course the last word is at the end. So let me try this. I'm actually going to experiment here a little bit. I'm going to try to see if this ends up working overall. So of course it's going to work here, but I want to see if it's going to work for all the test cases. So yeah, I get a 4 here, and yeah, the last one is 4, but I'm going to drop this into Leetcode to see what I get here. Drop it in, drop it in. Yep, the indenting is kind of screwy. Try it out. The indentation messed up. Yeah. Unexpected indent. So indent there. Yeah, I don't see the issue. Let's see, that's indented. Yeah, I am not seeing the issue here. Yeah, it looks like the issue was a screwy interface because I just retyped it, deleted and retyped, and it totally works. And this was accepted by the basic test cases. Now let's see if it passes the full Monty, so to speak. Yeah, it passed, accepted, so this is good. Yeah, this is shorter than my original solution, so I just came up with a different thing on the fly. So yeah, to get the length of the last word, all you really got to do is split your string into words, turning, of course, the string into a list of strings, which the elements will be words, and then you get the length of index -1 of that list. That'll be the last word. Return it, good to go. You're good, you're good. And yeah, runtime 0 milliseconds, so I guess that's pretty good. All right, well, that's it for this. Got it done, good, good. Hope you guys liked it, and I will talk to you, see you, you'll hear from me next time.